Feb 2018, first update of the year. I've got myself a new bird room. Bought an 5x7 shed. Got a bit of light in now as well. As you can see, I've made the shed a bit bigger because I'm quite tall. So I've made each panel a bit bigger so I can stand up properly in it. I've put all my pairs of kakariki, all my pairs of canaries together now, a bit earlier than usual, but because I've got the light in here, I think they're probably a month early, so I've just let them go now. I've put nest pans in. That pair in there has made a nest already. It's a bit hard to see really. Probably should have done my video a bit earlier in the day, but got a pair of harlequins there. I've got 3 pairs of red factors, and I've got 2 spare cocks there which I probably won't use, and I've got a spare hen down there, as you can't really see. I'll have to do another video. Still got my mule canary, goldfinch mule. He's just had a little clean out. A bit messy in here, I got a good sort out really. And I've also got another pair of kakarikis. I think I showed you 2 pairs in my last video. This is my new pair. I'm no expert, but that one there is a pied cinnamon blue hen, and that's a cinnamon green cock. I think they're split fallow, so they should throw some nice young uns. Not opened the nest boxes for them yet. I'm gonna wait until I know they're paired up properly. Hopefully start feeding each other, then I'll let them in to a nest box. When they're ready for their second round, I'll open the other door, the other hole. So I built these, I got a nest box either end. Lovely birds. Right little characters. I think that blue hen there, she's molting. That cock, he don't really do a lot, he don't say boo to a goose. These 2 are little noisy buggers. So that's how I've got my new shed set up at the moment, but it needs sorting out really. I was going to get rid of this big block breeder, but I'm not sure now if I'm going to maybe just keep it for now anyway. I'll probably wait till I got some young ones out of these, and then I'll have to change it around in there and build a little bit of a flight cage for the young birds, because these need a bit more room really. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. I expect we'll be getting some canary eggs soon. Hopefully some nice healthy chicks.